for Monday is all of the worksheet, including the vocabulary. Okay, the discrete graph. Explain the difference between a discrete graph and a continuous graph. Say a graph that is continuous. Discrete graph. Now I want complete sentences. Is a graph that has isolated points. Okay, make sure it's isolated points. While a continuous graph I don't have an iPad pen, so it's hard, is a graph with no breaks. That is, discrete are just dots, like that, where a continuous graph is dots, but the lines are connected. It could be a parabola, V-shape, anything, but a discrete graph is just isolated points. Explain the difference between a graph that is linear, and a graph that is non-linear. Okay. Well, a linear graph has a line with collinear points. And collinear points are points that are continuously together without, with the same rise and same run continuously. It's rise over run. A nonlinear, basically a straight, creates a straight line. A nonlinear graph are points that do not make a straight line. Okay? Basically, tonight's homework on the practice is to explain if a graph is whether a graph is discrete, continuous, whether it's increasing, decreasing, both or neither. So it doesn't ask for linear. I was hoping that it would. Like the first one is a linear discrete graph. So this is a discrete graph. My students need to know it's discrete, and it is from left to right, it is decreasing. We don't connect these dots though, but just those dots to show you. Discrete graph, and it is decreasing. Okay? And it's also linear because if you connect these, you fall to, run to the right one, fall to, run to the right one, fall to, run to the right one. The slope, the rise over the run, or the rate of change are always the same. That's what makes a line linear. Okay? This number 2 is this graph is a continuous graph, both increasing and decreasing. So it's continuous. and increasing, and both increasing and decreasing. Okay. As you can see, it's increasing, going up, and then coming down, decreasing. It's always left to right. A graph is always judged by the 0 point of left to right, or negative from left to right, whatever. It's always left to right. Look at a graph as left to right. Next page. Page 3, number 3, I'm sorry. This graph is connected, so it is a continuous graph. Okay, did I spell that right? No, I did not, didn't think so. Sorry. Continuous. Okay, forgot a minute here how to spell. Continuous and decreasing. It's, if you look at this, this is the stairway going down, starting always from the left now. So it is decreasing. Should put decreasing. Continuous and decreasing. Now number 4, because none of the dots are connected, it is called discrete. Okay? This is a discrete graph. And those dots, those points, those coordinates have no direction, so it's neither. Okay, it's neither increasing because it's neither increasing nor decreasing. There's no direction. Okay. Number 5. This graph is a continuous graph because all the lines are connected. Continuous and decreasing, and they're both decreasing, going that direction, and then it goes back up to increasing. So it's decreasing and increasing. Alrighty, number 6. The graph is continuous because there's a line connecting them, okay, and the dots are all connected. And it's only going in one direction of increasing, from left to right. Okay, that's an easy assignment tonight. That's all.